Hey guys, back again with another 9 packs. Now I've got some different sleeves I'm going to be using today. They look really nice, so I thought I'd just buy myself some. So let's get straight into some packs. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take the 2 front ones. Okay. So I don't know if you guys are following me on Instagram. Hopefully you are. But I'm giving away codes all the time on there, so if you're into the online game, make sure you're looking that up. Get yourself some free packs. And I am figuring out a way at the moment on how to give away the bulk that I've got. How am I doing this? Yep, cool. So there's your code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So we've got Dark Energy, Skunk Tanks, Full Heal, a Sonya, an Impidimp, a Shinx, a Sandygast, a Roly-Coly, a Stunky, a Stuffle Reverse, and a Copperajah V for my first pack. Wow. That's the first Copperajah I've seen in, I think, 6 booster boxes between me and my brother. I don't think there's actually been another one. So that is a good first pack. That's showing some good signs. Let's hope we get some more luck like that. Can't get into this one. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, a Durant, a Polisand, Oleana, Vulpix, Phantump, Farfetch'd, a Squavit, a Mr. Mime, a Stunky Reverse, and a Darmanitan. Non-holo rare. I think Stunky Reverse is my most popular reverse that I've had out of all of these. Anyway, there's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so Water Energy, a Phalanx, a Masquerain, a Nugget, a Voltorb, a Growlithe, a Dreepy, a Snova, Binacle, a Reverse Phantom, and a Barbaracle non-holo. So we started off the video well with this Copperajah, but the last 2 have been pretty bad packs, to be fair. Let's just hope it isn't bad all the way to the end. My brother recently opened an Elite Trainer box and got himself a secret rare Tool Scrapper. And then after that, he opened up a booster box and got himself another secret rare. I think it was a Scoop Up net. So I was very jealous, I'm not going to lie. I'm just hoping that in this booster box it's another secret rare. So Dark Energy, Indeedee, a Skylar, Electrode, a Farfetch'd, a Honage, a Timepole, a Vullaby, a Corsola, a Grimmsnarl Reverse, and a Phalanx V. Awesome. I needed this for the set actually. So that's 2 new cards for the set that I definitely know I need. I've decided that once I've finished this booster box, that's when I'm going to show you all my I forgot the word, my binder, that's the one. So once I've done, I think it'll be 2 more videos after this one. Here's your code. Yeah, 2 more videos after this one, and then I'll show you all my binder. Electric, a Metapod, a Heliolisk, Burning Scarf, a Growlithe, an Impidimp, a Bunnelby, a Phantump, a Dreepy, a Reverse Sonya, and an Arcanine non-holo rare. There is actually one other card other than a secret rare that I would like, and that is a Boss's Order in holo. I need that card for my set, and I really don't want to have to buy it. Which code? 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Fighting Energy. A Doublade. A Capture Energy. A Charger Bug. A Hatena. A Scyther. A Nosepass. A Wingull. A Coughing. A Pelipper Reverse. And a holographic Duraludon. Very cool. I think that's the first time I've seen this holographic as well. Let's move these across. There you go. Very cool. Okay, so we've got 3 packs left. We pulled 3. If we pull another one, that's our most. Like our average is about 4 pulls per video, which is very nice actually. It's very consistent. Which code? I think one day I'm gonna just get really unlucky and have 9 no pulls whatsoever. Fire Energy, Medicham, a Morgrem, a Palpitoad, a Corsola, Binacle, a Scyther, a Vullaby, a Dreepy, an Electabuzz Reverse, and a Cursola holographic. Now, if you didn't see the last video, I did mention about me giving away the bulk. So any holos, Vs, VMAXs that I don't need and my brother doesn't need from the pack openings will be in the giveaway. Like I said, I'll be sorting it out on my Instagram, so make sure you go over there and follow that. I do follow back. Oh, I ruined it. I knew I'd make one mistake. There's your code card. Yeah, so make sure you do go follow it. Right, I wonder what good card we're going to get. Right, Dark Energy, Tool Scrapper, Dan, a Karkle, a Wingull, a Natu, a Barboach, a Squavit, an Applin, a Reverse Roly-Poly. Oh! A Full Arts Boss Orders. Oh my god. I was just talking about the fact that I wanted the holo, but this tops everything. I think this is the most expensive card in the whole set. Obviously the price will pop up on the screen, but my god. This is an amazing pack opening right now. So that's 5 pulls out of 9 packs. I think that's the most I've had. If we pull one out of here as well, that will be insane. Oh, Boss's Orders, guys. See, if you talk about it, and they'll appear. I think I'd rather have those instead of a secret rare. But now that I've got it, I want secret rare, of course. Boss's Orders, eh? Steel Energy, a Hawlucha, Morgrem, a Medicham, a Shinx, a Yamask, an Applin, a Hatena, an Arrokuda, a Scoop Upnet, and a Holo Flapple. Awesome. So that is 6. 6 pulls in 9 packs. You couldn't make it up if you wanted to, I don't think. So, let's go through the pulls that we did get. So we've got a holographic Galarian Cursola, a holographic Duraludon, or Duraludon, sorry. A holographic Flapple, a Phalanx V, a Copper Rajar V, and a full art Boss's Augers. Wow.